Welcome. Here is how to invest in the S&P 500 using the Bamboo app. Open the Bamboo app and tap into Wallet. Select Deposit. Choose your preferred payment option like the bank transfer or card. Then find your USD wallet. After that, you tap on Invest tab. And you do what on the search button. So under the US stocks, you search S and P. S&P 500 ETF. So once you have started into it, you see it and you tap on it. Once you have tapped on it, you have to review it and select buy. So what you have to do is you have to complete your KYC if you have not done that, because it will make you and keep your information safe. So once you have tapped into it, you input amounts that you want to buy, that should be in dollar amount, review and place your order. So once you have tapped review order to double check the purchase details, then tap on place order to complete your transaction. Thanks for listening and happy investing.